Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are in big trouble. Yes, they are really in big trouble, so stick with me guys. This is an emergency video. Let me show you guys. And if you want to trade and take advantage of the upcoming volatility, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And if you don't know how to trade, I got the best trading course out there for you. Check out cryptodealers.com. Everything you need to become a professional trader. So let's go, no time to lose here. So let me show you on the 4-hourly time frame. I said in the last video yesterday that right now we are trading in this broadening wedge here, yeah, marked with these yellow two lines, and this turquoise line here, yeah, this indicates a support line that has been going on since a long time. As you can see here, it goes back until December last year. And I said once we touch this line, this will be a turning point, or could be a turning point, because as you can see here, the last times when we touch it here, we broke a little bit below it, then we had a pump to the upside. Here we broke a little bit below it, then we had the pump to the upside. And as of right now, we have the same exact situation going on again. And this will be now a really, really important moment. As you can see here, we are always looking for, let's say, on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see the volume went up. It was lower, then it went up, and now it's lower again a bit here. Yeah? What could be a really good indication that we could see a pump to the upside now is, as you can see here, the RSI is very low in the oversold territory. And as you can see here, when it was this low the last time here, for example, we had a pump to the upside. Here it was very low, and what happened? We had the pump to the upside. Yeah. The question right now is, will we see again a pump to the upside as it was here the last two times, or will we break down? Because this line here is a really, really strong support line, yeah, and this could be a turning point. So really watch out for this. I would even set an alarm at this line if you would break above it again. Or let's say, as you can see here, we don't really have a 4-hourly close below it. We had the week, and now we are trading exactly on this line, yeah. So a breakout, a breakdown would be somewhat confirmed. I would say if we see a couple of 4-hourly closes below it, and with some ascending volume, because the volume is not very high. Let's say if you would have high volume, like let's say somehow like this here, then in combination with 4-hourly closes below it, this could be somehow a sign that we could go lower. And basically, let me switch the time frame here. Let's go to the daily. The technical price target of this would be very low. Yeah, it would be somehow down there at around $70,000. And if it would really go this low, imagine you would take a short trade. This would be a potential of, let's say, it would go, yeah, minus 40% around there. Yeah. And if Bitcoin would be this cheap again, I would say at 17,000, I would buy a lot of Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what's going on. So you really have to take care and have an eye on this line now. Yeah, if we break down, or will we have a pump to the upside? Because this could also be a nice long trade opportunity. We just have to have really our eyes on this line here, and on the 4-hourly closes, what will happen in the future, as you can see here, because right now we are touching it. So we could even see that we pump up to the upside again, and that we continue within this broadening wedge here. But this is really a very important point now for Bitcoin. Yeah. So let's switch over to Ethereum. I mentioned in yesterday's video, let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. You know, this support line has also been going on since a very, very long time. As you can see here, even it reaches back to November last year, okay, to November last year. And this is very important now. As you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, the volume is not really high, okay? So we have basically low volume, and the RSI is in the oversold territory, as you can see here, yeah? It was in the same situation here. We touched the line, and we even broke below this line, and the RSI was in the oversold territory, and then we had this nice pump to the upside. Yeah, as you can see here, the RSI is again getting in the oversold territory, and we broke this line. So it will be very important to have an eye now on this line here and what's going on, because as you can see, we already had a couple of 4-hourly closes below this line. The question right now is, will Ethereum be able to break up above this line again or not? Because this could really be a turning point. If it would go this low, I mean, the technical price target would be down here at the beginning of the line. As you can see here, this would be in the range of around $1,100. This would be very, very cheap for Ethereum, I would say. So the question right now is, will we see the next pump to the upside or not? Will we break down? A confirmed breakdown, let me show how it would ideally look like. A confirmed breakdown would look like this. Let's say we would see a pump up to this line again, yeah. Then this line would reject us, and then once we reach this price level, that means if we go lower than the previous low here, yeah, then this would be a confirmed breakdown. So we see a pump to the upside again, this line rejects us, and then once we go below the previous low, this would be a confirmed breakdown. So if this would happen, guys, then you can enter, of course, a short position, guys. Then you can for sure enter a short position. I mean, then it's very likely that we will see much cheaper Ethereum breaking down even lower here. But as of right now, we have to see if this is going to happen or if we can break above this line again, guys. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Really watch the charts right now. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.